Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with QStart Labs, and we're here at IT Martini Hour 13 at the Ohio Union, and we're with Jeff from Janova. And Jeff, I appreciate you taking some time to talk with us tonight. What I wanted to do was learn a little bit about Janova, what the product is that you're offering, and kind of learn how that helps your clients solve some problems. So let's start off a little bit with Janova. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, great, Kevin. Thank you. Yeah, Janova is a company that's really moved out of our consulting business into a need. It's answering a need that we've seen that our clients have had over the years. And it's how to keep up with both iteration and regression testing and do it in a way that's easy to maintain and easy for people to create. Most of the time, automated testing is done with scripts, with technical kind of programming language scripts. We allow you to write your requirement in English. We'll take that English requirement, we'll convert it to scripts, we'll execute it in the cloud and come back with the results of whether it passed, whether it failed. If it failed, on what step it failed, we'll tell you why it failed, and if you really want to, we'll show you the browser at the time it failed. It's a pretty powerful.
Excellent. It seems to me like having the automated testing, being a web-based product, it would probably speed up delivery time for applications and so forth. Is that a correct assumption, or what are the main benefits a customer is going to receive from your product?
Yeah, two main benefits. Certainly speed to market, because typically there's a bottleneck at the end of this from a QA perspective where they have to go in, hopefully not manually, but sometimes a combination of manual and automated testing, and it always is a roadblock. We have that going in a continuous fashion, so there's no need to worry about that. You can execute these things at any time in the cloud and make sure you confirm the results from that standpoint. From a cost standpoint, of course, we can lower the development costs. So what used to take many, many people to do the testing, now we can do with a lot fewer and put those people on more higher value kinds of things that really help the development process. So we can help you with your quality, we can help you with your cost.
Excellent. You mentioned the cloud-based computing and cloud-based testing. To a lot of people, cloud means a lot of different things. What exactly do you mean, and what are the benefits that you're bringing by using the cloud?
Yeah, we find that sometimes people define cloud as just the server is outsourced, it's not on their premises. From our standpoint, what cloud means is a dynamic allocation of resource based on requirements. So as our demand goes up, we actually scale the number of workers that are executing these tests in the cloud. We use a very sophisticated algorithm that we've automated to make sure that we're monitoring key indicators to make sure that we maintain a constant service level to our users. So we are actually using a very dynamic implementation of the cloud.
Excellent. Now, your users, are these small to medium-sized businesses? Are they enterprise customers? What is the ideal target customer for you?
Well, we really try to make sure that we are available for three types of users. We have a basic user that can come in. That's a single user working with a single application. We also have a team account that you could form. That's a single application, but multiple people working on it. But we do cater as well to the enterprise. We have multi-applications, multi-users, where everything is shared across the cloud, where batches are executed dynamically across multiple workers. So while we come in and talk specifically to the enterprises, we still have an offering that goes across the gamut of size in a development world.
Now, I know you'd mentioned you have some customers using your system now. What's probably one of the coolest environments or neatest projects that you've been involved with?
We have been implementing for a large insurance company in the Northwest. They wanted to replace their claims system. So we use this tool as a part of the entire implementation process to create the tests that confirmed what was going on in that implementation. We today run 80 hours of tests a day, and from an automated test, that's about 95,000 tests a day we run. We ran that as we were starting the implementation. When we went live, it was the first implementation that I've been involved in, and I've been Chief Information Officer of a lot of corporate entities. It was the first one to go defect-free. So this works, it's powerful, it allows those kinds of defects that typically would be missed to be found rapidly.
Excellent. Well, I do appreciate your time today. As you're looking for people to vote for you for the Community Choice Award, what's the one last thing you'd want them to remember as they're walking over to the ballot box?
I think you can see today that Janova is actually a web-based application. We're not fronting some other, it's not a website promoting some other service that we're doing. The service is the application. The application is one of these cutting-edge applications that run in the cloud, and we think it will really add value to you and your organization. You should stop by and talk to us.
Thank you very much.
Kevin, thank you.